what was something new in Siti kitchen. Alright people, this is it. Hari ini di dapur internasional Hara akan memasak spaghetti alle ollie ala Siti, because I put the bunch of vegetable right here. Oke, tanpa menunggu lama lagi, kita check it out bahan-bahannya. Tapi sebelum itu, nyalakan lonceng, subscribe, like, comment, dan di-share. Let's go! Di sini ada spaghetti kurang lebih 500 gram. Di sini ada bawang putih yang diiris halus dan sedikit cabai merah yang diiris bulat seperti ini. Kemudian ada kerang dan juga ini daging asap ya, atau kita bisa bilang salami, but I buy the halal version, so this is halal. And in my spaghetti style Alle Ollie spaghetti, actually basically they use only the garlic with the clams, but I do edit more vegetable that I love. I have button mushroom right here, jamur kancing, ada tomat cherry, ada bell pepper, ada paprika kuning dan hijau, dan ada sedikit biji zaitun hitam dan zaitun hijau ya. Dan di sini ada brokoli yang dipotong seperti ini. Dan untuk bumbu saya cukup gunakan garam, bawang putih bubuk, lada hitam bubuk, dan little bit chili powder atau cabai bubuk ya. Last but not least, I use the English parsley for the garnish. Let's check it out how we cook it. Pertama-tama kita rebus spaghetti di air yang mendidih ya. Saya sudah terlebih dahulu didihkan air. So we put all the spaghetti on the pot. Alright, just like that. And cook until soft, not so soft, until al dente. It's not too soft, it's not too hard, right? It's about 9 minutes. And while we waiting spaghetti cook, we move in the other side to make the special sauce. Di sini saya sudah panaskan minyak zaitun. I put generously of minyak zaitun ya. Saya kasih banyak minyak zaitunnya. And then first of all, once the minyak zaitun is hot, we put the garlic and the chili. Aduk sampai aromanya naik ke permukaan. Setelah garlicnya agak kering seperti ini dan aromanya sungguh memukau, kita masukkan kerang dan juga daging asapnya ya. Just like that. Aduk merata. Ini resep yang paling simple dan paling cepat masaknya ya. Mostly of the Italian food is like super simple and easy cooking, and it is all in one. And in my version today, I put more vegetable. Saya masukkan banyak sayuran ya, karena saya lebih suka banyak sayuran di makanan. Setelah itu kita masukkan tomato cherry dan biji zaitun. Oh my god. Sirap. Kenapa saya masukkan satu persatu dan tomatnya terlebih dahulu? Karena saya ingin kombinasi sauce, natural sauce dari tomat ya. Jadi kita tunggu tomatnya sampai agak soft atau agak lembut, dia agak lembek-lembek gitu ya. Baru kita next step masukkan bahan selanjutnya. Next kita masukkan mushroom dan paprika ya. Oh my god, the color was just gorgeous. Syrup again. Look at that. Masak mushroomnya dan paprikanya sampai layu. Kemudian kita bisa edit penyedapnya, garam, chili powder, lada hitam, dan garlic powder ya. Just like that. Syrup again. Look at that. Melting sauce, natural stuff with all the vegetable on it. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. And then last, we put the broccoli. Mix it up together. And in the other side, the spaghetti is almost done, just perfectly cooked, al dente. So we just switch off the fire and toss it up the water. Kita buang airnya ya, kita tiriskan. But before that, kita ambil sedikit air rebusan spaghettinya to make the pasta a little bit more creamy, juicy, naturally, perfectly awesome. Alright, we toast it up spaghetti and we mix it up on the everything right here. Saya sudah masukkan spagettinya di atas, saatnya kita mengaduk ya. Aduk merata. Look at that. We already can kita sudah bisa matikan apinya and then just mix it up all together. Oh my god, look at that. How gorgeous is that? Spaghetti alle olio alla Siti. Alright, with a bunch of vegetable. Last but not least, we put the garnishing, just the English parsley, and we're ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ciao ciao. Next month. Lastly, kita sudah masukkan garnishing ya. Kita masukkan English parsley. Alright, just like that. This is the Alle Ollie alla Siti with a bunch of vegetable. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time in my next recipe. Bye bye.